So I have a new drinking hose from Kohree. This is a drinking water hose, so it's going to be a lot safer compared to a regular garden hose. I mean, we grew up drinking out of those and we're fine, but this one is rated for actually drinking. Also have, I believe it's 15, 25, 75 maybe, and 100. Now what I also like about their hoses is that they are soft and pliable, so they're going to bend, they're going to squeeze very easily. You're not going to have to worry about them getting really stiff, especially when the water is extra cold, and it's going to expand a little bit, which is going to help your hose if it happened to get a little freeze. And this also does come with a storage bag, so you can keep it nice and neat. This does have an end that makes it super easy to twist off. The end itself twists, so you don't have to worry about the hose getting kinked up. And it makes it easier too, because you got a lot more grip, and you can even grab it with pliers if it got really tight. And then you can easily connect to your RV. And now you can easily get water into your RV that you can drink. You could use this hose for gardening and such. You could also use it on your boats, your docks, anywhere that you need, anywhere that you actually need water that's going to be drinkable. Kohree is a great brand. They make great hoses, great all products. I use mostly Kohree when it comes to the RV stuff. But if you're looking for a really solid drinking hose, like I said, they have all the way up to 100 feet. This one's to 50 feet, and that's gonna be plenty for just about every camping site out there. And then when you're all done, make sure you get all that water drained out of there. Comes with that nice carry bag, so you can keep it nice and neat underneath. If you're looking for a drinkable hose for your RV or a boat, grab you one of these from Kohree.